we started the trade, we got a giant rip here higher in AVGO. We went in the money here. We had a profit, and at that point we sold the call credit spread on the upside here, thinking we would not get past the upper end, and we did not. We got up to that level, but we didn't. So what we needed to do at that point, we bought back our call butterfly right there for a profit, 285 bucks, and we flipped it around because it was in the money. We flipped it around to puts, and we also dropped this down from 350 to 335. So 350 calls, now 335 puts, and that just gave us more wiggle room in case AVGO sold off, and that ended up being a very good move for us, right? So time goes on, and here's the trade. It's looking great. Ended up buying this butterfly back for a profit and replacing it with a vertical to try to bring in a little bit more money. So the max profit, as you can see over here, is about 1,100 bucks, and the trade looks beautiful. It's not balanced, but it's turned into an iron condor, honestly. And then yesterday and today, we took a little bit off this yesterday because we were, AVGO was selling off, and I said, we got to cut these deltas down. This thing could roll over, all that stuff. AMD's going to report and all that. So we took 2 off yesterday, took another one off this morning on the put side. Then we were left with 3 on either side. So we took 3 off this call side. So now we've got 2 and 2, and we exited those as a 2 plus 2, buying it back as an iron condor. So it was right about 900 bucks. So that was a really good trade. Worked out very well. I don't mind doing that, kind of basically working both ends of the trade. And AVGO has been, we put that bullish trade on down here on the 34 EMA, and then we overshot it, and we got all the way up there to 386. Let me show you this. AVGO, we're at 386 right there. 386. And let me show you my levels here, because this is what convinced me. You always have to be okay with your levels. So check this out. We got through, and this is an older chart, and you can see I kept it. AVGO daily. You see that 387? We got to 386.48. 387.88. We got through all that, got all the way up there, and at that point this was our target, and we hit and failed, and just in time, because we were just about to overrun the upper end of this thing. That would have been an easy fix. We could have closed and rolled this thing up, but anyway, it worked out great. Pretty easy money on that, and so we will look for the next one.